Hello, Assalaam Alaikum, it's me Sabeena, and this is week 2 of the 6 items challenge with labour behind the label. I hope I've managed to get these in. This is an introduction to Labour Behind the Label. Labour Behind the Label is a campaign that works to improve conditions and empower workers in the global garment industry. The garment industry turns over $3 trillion a year. Yet, garment workers, 80% of them women, work for poverty pay, earning as little as £68 a month. Human rights abuses are systematic throughout the industry. Poverty wages, long hours, forced overtime, unsafe working conditions, sexual, physical and verbal abuse, repression of trade union rights and short-term contracts are all commonplace in the clothing industry. It is an industry built on exploitation and growing under a lack of transparency that makes holding brands accountable difficult. Labour Behind the Label are dedicated to changing this. Labour Behind the Label supports garment workers' efforts worldwide to improve their working conditions and change the fashion industry for the better. Labour Behind the Label represents the Clean Clothes campaign in the United Kingdom. And this entire source and credit goes to the Labour Behind the Label team and website. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will click on the links below and support Labour Behind the Label's current campaigns. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.